Welcome to the Water Equipment Show 2021. The proceedings will begin shortly at 9 o'clock. Welcome to the Water Equipment Show 2021. The proceedings will begin shortly at 9 o'clock. Welcome to the Water Equipment Show 2021. The proceedings will begin shortly at 9 o'clock. Welcome to the Water Equipment Show 2021. The proceedings will begin shortly at 9 o'clock. Welcome to the Water Equipment Show 2021. The proceedings will begin shortly at 9 o'clock. Welcome to the Water Equipment Show 2021. The proceedings will begin shortly at 9 o'clock. Welcome to the Water Equipment Show 2021. The proceedings will begin shortly at 9 o'clock. Welcome to the Water Equipment Show 2021. The proceedings will begin shortly at 9 o'clock. Welcome to the Water Equipment Show 2021. The proceedings will begin shortly at 9 o'clock. Welcome to the Water Equipment Show 2021. The proceedings will begin shortly at 9 o'clock. Welcome to the Water Equipment Show 2021. The proceedings will begin shortly at 9 o'clock. Welcome to the Water Equipment Show 2021. The proceedings will begin shortly at 9 o'clock. Welcome to the Water Equipment Show 2021. The proceedings will begin shortly at 9 o'clock. Welcome to the Water Equipment Show 2021. The proceedings will begin shortly at 9 o'clock. Welcome to the Water Equipment Show 2021. The proceedings will begin shortly at 9 o'clock. Welcome to the Water Equipment Show 2021. The proceedings will begin shortly at 9 o'clock. Good morning, everyone. My name is Bob Wentz. I am Chairman of the Pump Centre, and on behalf of the Pump Centre, I would like to welcome you all to Day 2 of the 2021 Virtual Water Equipment Show. The welcome this morning and the introduction is very similar to the one yesterday, so if you attended the one yesterday, this will be very much the same. As I'm sure you're all well aware, this is the first virtual water equipment show that the Pump Centre has presented. The 2020 Water Equipment Show at the Telford International Exhibition Centre had to be cancelled due to the pandemic. And unfortunately, this happened after a great deal of time and effort had gone into organising it. I should like to take this opportunity to thank everyone involved in the preparations for the 2020 event, including all those who had prepared papers and presentations for it. I'm sure you'll all agree that whilst it was most unfortunate that the event had to be cancelled, we were left with no choice. So, with the pandemic still very much a major issue throughout 2020 and into 2021, the Pump Centre took the decision to present the 2021 Water Equipment Show virtually. The Water Equipment Show is the Pump Centre's annual flagship event and is very well supported and attended. This is our first attempt at presenting the Water Equipment Show virtually, and I do hope you will all take the opportunity to explore the exhibition stands, interact with those people on the stands, and attend the many conference, breakout and training sessions that have been provided. This year, because it's a virtual event, we have decided to present the Water Equipment Show over a 2-day period, and this is Day 2. Hopefully this will provide a better opportunity for everyone to visit more of the exhibition stands and attend more of the conference, breakout and training sessions. Our objective for the Water Equipment Show this year begins with our main theme, which is a focus on innovative approaches to reducing water industry CapEx and OpEx. This is a key area of focus for the water industry, driven by Ofwat's determination in AMP7. And I'm sure you'll all find many things to help and support with this on the 70 exhibitor stands and from the over 30 presentations. I hope you'll all find that the virtual exhibition is very intuitive and easy to navigate, so do take the opportunity to visit the exhibition stands and attend the many presentations and training sessions. We also wanted to provide the same opportunities for training and breakout sessions as in the past, and hence you will see a wide range of these in the programme. As with all other events at the Water Equipment Show, you just need to go to the Agenda tab on the exhibition web interface, and there you will see a list of all the events with full details and a Join Now button that will admit you to the event. The combination of 70 exhibition stands and over 30 presentations will provide you with an insight into the latest technology and innovations, and I would encourage you to attend as many of these as you can. A key event at the exhibition each year has been the Young Engineers Award, and preparations for the award in 2022 have already begun. This is a prestigious event and is designed to recognise the achievements and talents of young engineers. The awards are presented in 3 categories: professional, technician and apprentice, and I would encourage everyone who may be interested to get more details by contacting or visiting the Pump Centre stand for more information. If you know a young engineer who you feel deserves recognition for their achievements, do please encourage them to apply. The process is very straightforward, and the feedback from previous applicants is that they have enjoyed the experience. As I've mentioned, the Water Equipment Show and Conference theme this year is innovative approaches to reducing water industry CapEx and OpEx, which is driven by the challenges faced by the water companies via the Ofwat AMP7 determination. This determination has created a number of significant cost reduction targets and a focus on customer service standards, which in turn drive CapEx and OpEx cost reduction challenges. However, all of these challenges are not exclusive to the water companies because they will be looking for support and innovative solutions from their supply chain companies to help them achieve their objectives. The theme for this year's Water Equipment Show and Conference will therefore directly apply to the water companies and the supply chain companies, in other words, the majority, if not all, of the pump centre companies. I hope you will take the opportunity to visit the exhibition stands and the various presentations and take advantage of the opportunities they provide. Before I finish, I just want to say a few words about the Pump Centre, who are responsible for organising and presenting this show. The Pump Centre is an independent membership organisation that is generally, although not exclusively, associated with the water industry. It's a unique organisation that brings together people with a shared interest from users, manufacturers, and component and service supplier companies. All of the major UK water and sewerage companies are members, and the total membership is approximately 150 companies. The Pump Centre provides a wide range of benefits, including networking opportunities, exhibitions, conferences, discounted training, and unbiased help and technical support. As with all organisations, the amount of benefit you derive from membership is directly proportional to your involvement, so I would encourage those who are not members to join, and those who are to gain the maximum benefit from their membership by getting involved in the wide range of activities that the Pump Centre organises. These include the opportunities to present webinars and to stand for election to the Pump Centre Council. The Pump Centre also runs collaborative and individual projects for the membership, and perhaps the best known are the WES specifications and the Water Industry Maintenance Working Group. The WES specifications have become the de facto standard for a very wide range of plant and equipment used in the water industry. And the Maintenance Working Group is a group of industry maintenance experts working on standards and sharing experiences and expertise to their mutual benefit. On this slide, I have listed the benefits of Pump Centre membership. I won't dwell or go through all of them in detail, but I hope you can appreciate from what I've said already and from the list of bullet points on the slide that there are many and worthwhile benefits to membership. And as with all of these organisations and membership opportunities, the more you get involved with all of the things that you see on the slide there, the more benefit that you will get from your membership. Finally, and before I hand over to John Howarth, I would like to say a big thank you to the Water Equipment Show sponsors for their support. The support of our sponsors is key to the success of the Water Equipment Show, and we do very much appreciate it. Well, thank you all very much indeed for your attention. I hope you enjoy the conference and exhibition, and I would now like to hand over to John Howarth, the Pump Centre Manager, to give you some more information about the conference and exhibition. Thanks very much, and over to you, John.
Thanks, Bob. I'm just going to share my screen. Hopefully you can see that, Bob.
Yes, we can. Thank you.
That's great. Thank you very much. Hello, everyone. My job this morning is to hopefully provide a bit more information about how today's event is going to work. As Bob has already said, it is the first time we've ever run a virtual conference and exhibition. So please do bear with us. I'm sure not everything will run smoothly, but we'll try our best to make the event a great experience for everyone. The show will run until 5 p.m. today, and you're welcome to attend all the technical sessions and visit all the exhibition stands. You have complete access to the whole show. However, I suspect most of you will be more selective and keep dipping in and dipping out of the event based on your own specific interests. We're happy for you to use the show in the best way to suit your own needs. The starting point of the virtual show is the Water Equipment Show homepage. All registered delegates are able to access this using the code they have been emailed. Once on the homepage, navigating around the show is relatively straightforward by using the main menu buttons at the top of the page. This slide shows the main buttons, and the whole show can be accessed from here. Clicking on the agenda button allows you to see the full technical programme. This includes the main conference, the innovation features, and the breakout and training sessions. Clicking on the exhibitors button takes you to the virtual exhibition hall. From here, you can interact with about 70 of the leading suppliers to the UK water industry. Clicking on the speakers button gives you a bit of background about who will be giving the presentations during the show. Clicking on the Young Engineer Awards button provides information about the relaunch of the Pump Centre's Young Engineer Awards for 2022, which is back after a break due to the coronavirus pandemic. And finally, the competition button is the final button on the top menu bar, and clicking this takes you to more details about a little competition we are running to help encourage delegates to interact with the virtual exhibition. Any delegate who visits 3 or more exhibition stands over the next 2 days and interacts with that stand by either downloading information or speaking via the Microsoft Teams button on the stand will be able to complete and return the entry form. Their name will then go into a prize draw, and 5 lucky winners will be randomly selected after the show. The programme for today is summarised on the agenda page in a simple timetable, which indicates what is happening at any specific time. Today, the technical presentations and the virtual exhibition officially start at 9:30 and end at 1700 at 5 p.m. The timetable is colour-coded to differentiate between the main conference, the innovation features, the breakout sessions, and the training sessions. Clicking on a presentation title will create a drop-down which includes a brief synopsis about that specific talk. Clicking on the presenter's photo within the drop-down will also give you details about their background and experience. If you decide you would like to attend a specific presentation, simply press the join button, which is to the right of the presentation title, and this will take you straight into the presentation. However, please be aware that the presentations are live and you need to join on or just before the specified start time. If you join late, you'll miss some of the presentation. If you join too early, you'll have to wait for the session to start. We have permission from most presenters to record their presentations, and we're planning to make these available for viewing after the show. All technical sessions are being kept to a strict 30-minute maximum, and this will typically be about 25 minutes of presentation and about 5 minutes of Q&A. The technical sessions are being delivered by Microsoft Teams live event, and you'll be able to send in your questions during the presentation via the Q&A text facility. The presenter's contact details will be on screen during the Q&A, so any questions that we're unable to answer can be directed by you to the presenter after the presentation. Navigation around the virtual exhibition is very straightforward, and you can do this in different ways. Firstly, you can use the virtual exhibition hall plan that shows all the exhibition stands. Simply click on each logo or button for more details about the company and to access the link to their virtual exhibition stand. Secondly, on the same page below the exhibition hall layout, there are listings for all the exhibitors. These can be filtered in different ways to help you find the specific company, product or service that you're looking for. When you visit an exhibitor's stand, there will be lots of interesting information to view and download, such as videos, technical information, brochures, plus lots more. Also, there is a Microsoft Teams call button on every exhibition stand. This allows you to speak directly with a representative from each stand. There's a huge amount of expertise within the exhibition, and this is a great opportunity to access that knowledge. And can I ask a favour of everyone? I'd really appreciate it if you could spare a bit of time to visit the exhibition stands and talk to the company representatives via the Teams call button. Engagement between the delegates and exhibitors is key to the success of a virtual event like this. And ultimately, it will it'll determine if we decide to host a similar event in the future. So I'd appreciate your support with this. That's about it from me. So thank you for your time. I hope this has helped to explain how things will work. The best way to learn is just give it a go. So please do join the technical sessions and visit the virtual exhibition stands and get as much out of your experience as you can. So from the Pump Centre team, thank you for attending. Have a great day, and I hope you enjoy the show. Bye for now.